Hello fellow cars enthusiasts. Today we'll remove the tank from the car, so let's get straight into it. There are 4 nuts in total holding the tank. There are 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Also they are easy to spot, as you will see in the video. While we remove the nuts, we use the piece of wood to support the weight of the tank, so when the nuts come loose, something is holding it in place. Now we are removing the hose that's connected to the car. It's connected to the part that you fill the car with fuel. And there is also a smaller hose that it is the overfill. We used multiple layers of wood to support the weight of the tank because we remove the nuts and we need something to hold it in place. The 2 hoses that are connected on the fuel pump are clipped on the tank, so here we are trying to unclip them so we can lower the tank because they are still supporting the tank, so I have to unclip them. After we are done unclipping the 2 hoses that connect to the pump, we're gonna start removing the wood layers piece by piece and lower the tank slowly until the tank sits on the last layer. We're gonna start pulling it out. This is the front side and the back side of the tank, and it is oriented as shown in the video in relation to the car. We clean it a little so it's a little clean. And now we will empty the tank from the dirty fuel that it is full of rust. You can see that the color of the fuel is not normal. And in the end of the video, we're gonna show a comparison what a normal color of fuel looks like in comparison with the color that the tank has inside that is fully rusted. We start removing parts from the tank, and normally you would also have the fuel pump on the tank since it's the right way to remove the fuel pump. In that case you would remove the fuel pump as well, which is gonna be easy if you leave it on the tank and remove it afterwards. We also remove things like this drain valve. And here is the comparison I was talking about, the color of the normal gasoline and the color of the gasoline that goes inside the tank. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the video showing how we cleaned and coated the tank so it doesn't rust again.